I'm gonna take $4,500 or best offer. How's that?
This is Bobby T, and you're watching Makeshift Garage. You're watching Makeshift Garage.
Welcome back, broskies. Hey, have I got a car for you? It's a 2008 Honda Accord. I'm gonna sell it. I picked it up with a couple of cars. I bought a few cars as a package. I went through it. Man, she runs so good. Standard, you know, and it's a hydraulic clutch. So even you guys that don't know how to drive standards can drive this one. It's so easy. Been on the road in 2024, it was inspected, but everything's perfect. The car itself looks beautiful. Look at it. It's a gorgeous car. This is a great daily. If somebody's got a commute and they need a daily, this is the car for you. It's got power seats. It's got, everything's power. The radio, the air conditioning, everything works perfect. Check this thing out. She's good looking, starts right up, smooth as a kitten. Oh, this car is nice. If I didn't have so many cars, I'd keep this. But I don't need another daily. I just picked up 2 dailies for us at home. So somebody's gonna want this car. Somebody's gonna really, really enjoy this car. It's fast too. I took it for a test drive. Boom, man, she just takes off. This is a very good car. It's a 2008 Honda Accord. It's got 185,000 miles on it. So you get about 350, 400,000 miles out of these if you maintain them. Oh man, this car had one owner the whole time. I've never put it on the road. So it's still really a one owner car. And I really never drove it. I just fixed it and took it for a quick ride down the block and back. Take a look at the inside, man. Take a look at the back of this car. Is this cool? It's clean. She's ready to roll. This car is very, very clean. For a 2008, she's clean. She runs good. Oh, let me pop the hood. I'll show you what's under the hood. Here we go. It's a very nice car. Somebody's gonna absolutely love this. I'm gonna take $4,500 or best offer. How's that? 4,500 bucks, come on, that's a no-brainer. This is a really good buy. Listen to that motor, man, smooth as hell. I bought a brand new battery, it's got a brand new tires, and it's got a brand new clutch. I mean, come on, this car's ready to roll. So I know somebody out there wants it, come and get it. First come, first serve. I know what you're thinking. How does it run? I'm gonna do a test drive for you. Let's go, broskies. So it's a hydraulic clutch. It's very touchy. You just let the clutch out and it wants to go. You don't even gotta give it gas. Look at that. It's so smooth. It's so fast, you gotta be careful. You step on the gas and she just wants to go. So this car is awesome. I'm telling you, the clutch is so beautiful. I never had anything with a hydraulic clutch. That's just regular driving. That's not even stepping on the gas. This thing is beautiful. Wow. That's 4th gear. Nice, just nice and mellow, man. What a beautiful car. Like I said, brand new tires, brand new clutch. You know, the motor's got 185 on it, and again, you can get a lot of miles out of these. It's a beautiful daily, first come, first serve. Here she is. Comes with almost a full tank of gas. Woo! Absolutely fantastic. All right, let me back it in, I'll park it, and first come, first serve, come and get it. Beautiful car. Smooth, quiet, fast. Hey, what more could you ask for? Man, she drives good. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you go over to YouTube, subscribe, and hit the little bell. Every time we put something up, you'll get a notification.